So hi everyone, in this video we will learn to apply comments on the tables and table columns. Okay, so you can see we are having a table name student, and you can see there are three columns there: ID, name, college. Okay, so we will see here that how to create comments on tables as well as on the columns individually. So we will start with this command: select star for student, for showing that how many columns are there, right? Now we will see for verifying or for checking the available comments, we will use the below query. Okay, so for getting an idea about is there any um, previously available comment is there on the table. Okay, so for that we can use this query. We just have to mention the owner as well as the table name if you know about it. Otherwise the owner is enough for that. So we will mention here student as a table name, and here we can see that there is no there is no comments. Okay, currently, so we will create a comment on this table. Okay, so for getting started with the comment command, okay, we will use comment on table. Okay, so just mention comment on table and then mention the table name. Okay, student, and use is keyword. Okay, so inside single quote we will mention our comment. So we will mention only a simple text here: this is an example of comment. Okay, for student table, right? So just this is what we are getting here, right? So this is all about the comment. Okay, comment on table, then only mention the student as a table, use is keyword, and then under single quote we can mention the comment. Okay, so just execute it. You can see there is a output coming at as comment is created. Okay, so now we can see that we have successfully created a comment for student table, right? So this is an example of the comment of student table. Okay, so this is how we can create a comment for a table, okay, inside Oracle database. So the next we will do for the column. Okay, so for columns also we will see that how to create comments for the column. So in the daily uses we know that there are many things. Okay, for example, if you want to comment out something, so you can do it. So using the same command we can pre-check that whether there is uh, previously any comment is present on the columns or not. So for that we can use this query. Okay, select star from all underscore call comments. Okay, so this is how, just mention the table name and owner, and you can see that whether there is already present comments are there or not. So you can see here in the student table we are having three columns: ID, name, college. Okay, so currently there is no comment. Okay, currently there is no comment on any of the column. Okay, so this is what all about the pre-checks. Okay, now we will create comment on each of the columns of this table. Okay, so again we will use comment on column instead of table. We will use column here, right? Just mention the table name and then the column name. Okay, so for this we will take the column as an ID. Okay, so now here just mention that any brief comment you want to mention for the ID column, right? So this is the identity number of the row, right? and just execute it, and it will be create a comment on this column, right? So comment is created. Now we will check that comment is there or not. So you can see here we have created a new comment for id column, right? So the next method, okay, so the next method we will see that how to use the schema also here, right? So if you are having multiple if you are in same table on multiple schemas, then you should need to use the schema as well. So for example, we are using system.student.name, okay. So system here is a schema name, student is a table name, and name is a column name, okay. So this is how we can create a column comment, okay, in case the tables are multiple there in the Oracle database. So you can see here this is the name of the student in the table, right? So this way, guys, we can create comments on the table as well as the columns, okay, on Oracle database. So this is easy, but first of all we need to ensure that enough practice is there, right? So this is helpful for identifying that which table column frequently use, okay, and which is important. So this way we can do it, right? So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.